puso ng kampiyon in full display despite being down by 10. And then in between, that was the moment that you fired in 17 straight in between third and fourth. Before that grind out towards the end.
It's a testament to our, sabi ko nga kasi before this game, we have to get back our defensive mentality. Diba? May time kasi nag-worry kami na hindi kami makashoot. Sabi ko, okay lang na hindi kami makashoot, pero sa kabilang side, dapat hindi rin sila makashoot. So our stops, when they were up by 10, our stops were able to create transition points for us. So it's the defensive mentality that we need to get back. If we wanna make this season long for us.
Coach, sa tingin niyo makaka-boost yung gantong performance nyo in a playoff atmosphere na...
Yeah, good experience for especially itong mga bagong player ko. Good experience for them. And naka-experience na sila ng Letran San Beda kasi iba talaga pagka sa ganitong atmosphere ka naglalaro parang playoffs. At least may isa pa kaming game sa MOA against Mapua. I'm sure maging great at ganyan din yung atmosphere nun. So, good experience for everyone.
Coach, yun nga po, before that, Mapua Beta game na.
Hindi pa tayo
Coach Olsen.
Yes.
Yun nga po.